Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Building a Powerful Reddit Profile. In this lesson, we're going to talk about engaging with Reddit users. Let's get started. Reddit is complex. You need to take time to learn and understand how people use the platform. Brand-specific niche has higher chances of finding the right Reddit users who will be interested in their brand. Take note that Reddit users prefer reading text-based content, participating in topic discussions, and comments in particular. It is possible to engage with Redditors as you build your profile to increase your karma and build your reputation on Reddit. Reddit is not easy for brands to connect with Redditors. You can't do promotions right away, redirecting people to your sales page. You need to take time in building your profile's karma and share relevant content on the platform. And also, you must make an effort to connect and engage with Reddit users. Take note that Redditors are always watching out for self-promoting profiles. And Redditors are not an avid fan of profiles that are made for self-promotions. You can engage with different Redditors as they take interest in providing their opinions regarding a post from other Redditor or your posted content. You can engage with Reddit users when they post cute images and interesting videos, but you have to be careful where you are engaging on Reddit. When you plan to increase your karma points to gain your reputation on Reddit, some Redditors will check out your post and engagement history. They do this activity to make sure that you are a brand that has no posts or engagements involving your username in comments that may lead to debate. As there are times when Redditors dive into your history to look for the previous activities that might give you a bad reputation. You may notice in some comments that some Redditors recommend other subreddit community to the original poster since this post is also relevant to this community. If you're a brand, you can find posts where Redditors ask for help or an opinion from a professional. If they're looking to purchase something and that is part of your expertise, you can offer your help by giving them the advice that they need that will aid in their decision-making process. Provide a recommendation in detail so that they will understand it clearly. Not only will the original poster appreciate your recommendation, but also the other Redditors who can read your comment. They might even upvote your recommendation. In addition, Reddit has a feature where people can directly send messages to Redditors. This is the chat function of the platform. You can easily reach out and talk to other Redditors. This gives you another option to get private interaction with other users. But don't send promotions via chat or ask people to send you an email. Just to get their email address and add it to your email marketing promotions. When you find a subreddit where you want to target the members inside that subreddit, you can start sending comments on interesting posts to offer help to Redditors who are seeking advice. They will appreciate your effort and advice, especially if you have answered their question or dilemma. Keep on helping out people and comment not only on the main post that can be relevant and helpful for other Redditors. Now that you know about engaging with Reddit users, we can now proceed to the next topic. Curating content on Reddit. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.